Welcome to the mysterious world of fleas, bedbugs, and ticks. First, we delve into the life of a flea. Fleas are the tiniest creatures that usually thrive on pets and animals. Next, we examine the existence of bedbugs and our places of rest. Bedbugs are parasitic insects that feed on blood, and they usually live in our beds. Finally, we explore the world of ticks, who may carry Lyme disease. Ticks are usually found in wooded areas, and they cling onto their host for survival. In the end, all these pests are pesky yet fascinating creatures.